Hello, my name is Ben Sayer. In this video, I want to show you 3 changes that I recommend to the book basic format print publication source type that I recommended previously. To make that change, we'll click on Preferences in the Reunion menu and Sources. The first thing we want to do is change the page number field. So we'll click on Fields and scroll down to page number. Right there's page. And what I want to do is suggest in here that we put some instructions to ourselves, reminding us to insert the page number within the source detail field and not in this master source. By putting it in the source record for the book, that page number would be used any place that source is used, and that's not necessarily what you may want. You would want to refer to different pages for different sources of different information. So we're going to put this instruction. So just in parentheses, I'm going to write put page in source detail. Okay, and then we're going to change the title fields that we've previously created. And what I want to do here is put some instructions about the formatting of that to remind us that we can put title, actually let me put it in capital case, title colon subtitle. And we're going to do the same thing. I'm just going to copy that. I'm going to edit this one and paste that in there. So for both the italicized and the quoted version of the title field, we'll have those instructions within them. So the way that will affect itself is that when we close out of this box and say we pull up a record and we want to add a source for a book, we're going to select New Source and then scroll down to Print Publications Book Basic Format, select that, and here you'll see that we've provided ourselves instructions about how to format that field according to Elizabeth Shown Mills' book Evidence Explained. In this case, the title is going to be italicized, and we want to put title colon subtitle if there is a subtitle. And also importantly, for page, we'll note right here that we need to put the page in the source detail, so not in the data field. And so if we were to populate this with some information and click Save, then you'll see we have the source citation here. This detail is where we would want to put the page number. And then if we open that source and preview it here, we're going to see the source listing without the page number. When we look at this source in a printed output, what we're going to see is the page number appended to the end of the source reference.